I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by powering off the phone and opening the display, no extra setup. Once open, identify the original home button flex cable and remove its bracket. You will transfer the original Touch ID sensor to the replacement assembly. Do this because Touch ID is cryptographically paired to that exact sensor and the secure enclave, so replacing with a new sensor loses authentication. Carefully lift the flex with the correct pry tool, keep screws in order, and avoid creasing the cable. These steps preserve the pairing and hardware integrity. Once the sensor is seated, align the flex exactly in the replacement button housing and route the cable the same way it was originally. You must avoid kinks because a stressed flex breaks signals. Make sure connector pads align with the socket on the board before seating, press straight down, then fasten the metal bracket to secure the connector. This prevents intermittent contact. Use even pressure on screws, tight enough to secure, not so tight that you strip threads, and keep the flex flat to maintain signal integrity. Once reassembled enough to power on, reconnect the battery and boot the device to test Touch ID. Do not fully seal the screen until testing passes. Enroll a fingerprint in settings so you confirm the sensor and secure enclave are communicating. If it accepts, finish reassembly. If you see Touch ID not available, power down and reseat the flex connector, check for bent pins, or retransfer the original sensor again. This usually fixes the problem because most failures are poor contact rather than software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.